Alright, good evening, guys. Welcome to Moshef Digital Innovations. My name is Mohammed Sharif, popularly known in the digital space as Moshef. Today, we are talking about affiliate marketing, what affiliate marketing means, and why you should invest into affiliate marketing. So, without wasting much time, let's move on. So, the question is, do you know what affiliate marketing means? Do you have any idea, or have you ever heard the word affiliate marketing before? Fine. Have you ever recommended a product, service, or even a movie to a friend but didn't get paid for it? We do this all the time in our daily lives without even realizing it. We talk about products we love, restaurants we enjoy, or tools that make our work easier, but rarely do we earn anything from these recommendations. So now imagine getting paid every recommendation you make when someone buys the product. That's exactly how affiliate marketing works. In this session, I'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing and explore how you can turn your everyday recommendation into a steady income stream. I'll also introduce you to DigiStem Affiliate Program, which offers fantastic benefits for beginners and experts alike. Are you ready to know how? Let's get started. Let's move on. Alright, the question now is, what is affiliate marketing? Every day we are doing it every day. Today you go here, you buy something, you come, your friend will ask you, where did you get this from? I say, I bought it from this shop. You send the guy there, the guy to buy the thing, you recommended that to the guy, so you need to take a commission. But here lies the case, we don't do that here. We don't really understand it. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of business where you earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When someone buys a product through your special link, you get paid a commission. It's like being a middleman between the company and the customer, and you get rewarded for making sales. Instead of creating your own product, you promote products from businesses that already exist, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. That's beautiful. So as you can see, you learn while you earn. How does affiliate marketing works? It's simple. First of all, you need to join an affiliate program. You need to sign up for an affiliate program which gives you access to products or services to promote. You will receive a special link to share with others. After that, you can promote these products through social media, blogs, YouTube, or even ads. Share the link with your followers or audience. And finally, when someone clicks your link and buy something, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Very simple. You can do it. Everybody can do it. You don't need to know much about computer or an expert before you invest into affiliate marketing. So let's move on. So what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? There are so many benefits, but I'll be talking about few. So first of all, low startup cost. You don't need to create or own products. All you need is your smartphone, laptop, tablet, your social media handle or platform, and internet service. That is all you need to start affiliate marketing. It's very simple. And today we all know how to use our smartphone and we are all on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. So I don't think this will be a problem. Promoting products on social media will not be a problem to us. So let's move on. With some small capital and your smartphone, tablet, laptop, I think you are good to go. Let's move on. So 2, you can work from anywhere you find yourself. So far as there is an internet, you will be able to work. That's another nice thing about the whole thing. 3, flexible schedule. It's not something like they'll be putting pressure on you that at the end of this week you need to make sales, you need to sell this amount of products and all those things. No, you can work at your own pace, promoting products when you want. Nobody will force you. If you need the money truly, work. 4, passive income. Once you promote the product, sales can come in at any time, even while you sleep. It's as easy as that. Yours is to just work. The more you work, Charlie, the money will flow. Trust me. Alright, now I hope you all understand what affiliate marketing is all about. So we move on to the reason why we are here, the reason why we are doing this webinar or this training this evening. That's Digistem affiliate program. Digistem affiliate program. So I'm going to explain what Digistem affiliate program is and the benefits, all you need to know about it. So let's get started. So what is Digistem? Digistem is an affiliate platform that offers one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to get started with affiliate marketing. Really? So why Digistem is a great choice or the most easiest and most rewarding ways to get started with affiliate marketing? So we all understand. So one, high quality digital products. What do you mean by high quality digital products? Digistem provides top-notch digital products like courses, ebooks, and tools that are in high demand. These products are easy to sell because people want to learn new skills and improve themselves. So two, generous commission. When we talk about generous commission, Digistem offers up to 50%, even more than 50% to 60-65% commission on sales, meaning you can earn a significant amount from each sale. For example, if you sell a product worth $100, you could earn $50-$60 as commission. So three, training and support. When it comes to training and support, even if you are new to affiliate marketing, Digistem provides training to help you understand how to promote products effectively. They teach you strategies like using social media, ads, and email marketing to reach potential buyers. You are going to learn a lot on this platform. So, wide range of products. With Digistem, you have access to a variety of products across different niches like health, businesses, or self-development. This allows you to choose the product that best fits your audience. Global reach. When you talk about global reach, Digistem products can be promoted worldwide, which increases your chances of making sales. You are not limited to just one market or region, or let's say Ghana alone. You can sell America, anywhere. That's the advantage. And finally, fast payments. That's the part I love most. Fast payments. You don't have to wait long to receive your earnings. Digistem ensure you get paid quickly after a sale is confirmed. They make their payment every Saturday. Even if you start selling from Thursday or even from Friday, Saturday, if you request, you get your payment one time. No time wasting. So what are the benefits of joining Digistem? The benefit of joining Digistem: one, earn while you learn. It's as simple as that. It's not just about the money. At the end of the day too, you acquire knowledge from this platform. Digistem's training helps you grow your skills while also earning money through the platform. Scalable income. The more products you sell, the more you earn. You can increase your income by promoting more products or reaching more people. No technical skills needed. Another point I love most. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to know much about IT or maybe a guru. And my guy, relax. The platform is simple and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started. As easy as that. Growing market. The demand for digital products is increasing, and by joining Digistem, you are tapping into a booming industry. And finally, you have 1 year accounts, free 1 year accounts. You have access to this platform for 1 good year. So imagine promoting this product for 1 good year, the amount of money you make before maybe your this thing will expire, your subscription will expire. So these are some of the testimonies. Some of my colleagues. This particular guy in the middle is the guy who introduced me, a fantastic guy. The guy is making it, trust me. Look at this. He made that was this Saturday, that was yesterday. So let's say last week, he made 7,408.58, and you can see quick pay and what is it? Flutter Wave technology. So if you come here to this lady, to another killer, as early as 11:42 p.m. over 11,900 plus earned in pure commission. Affiliate marketing is a new oil. Don't forget to make it. Every target is achievable. Just focus on the process, not the results. The same business they keep doubting. You see, a lot of people are doubting, but same way people are using this same business to make money. This another guy, he made 4 sales, and this is the total for the 4 sales. So this is balance, meaning he has withdrawn some of the monies already. So let's move on and see. So that's the guy I show you. that made the first sale. Saturday blessings. You have received a payment of $29 from DigiStem with ID number blah blah. This email confirms your payment is being processed and doesn't automatically confirm back credit alert. You see, you can read this for yourself. And this is my dear Mohammed Sharif Lawanson. This was my first sales I made when I joined this program. That was in, I think, last week. A new purchase of the Ultimate Money Machine has been recorded for you with the order number blah blah blah. You have gotten $14.5 commission for DigiStem on this purchase. So this is another guy who made $2,221.58 from DigiStem. So you can see. So one thing I want you guys to notice is the money is coming from the same source, QuickPay, Flutterwave Technology Solution. So let's go back and check this one too. Flutterwave Technology, QuickPay. If you check here too, you will see the QuickPay here. This QuickPay, but this one the Flutterwave is not showing. They cut that part. So the money is coming from one source. So you can see this one too, Flutterwave Technology, QuickPay. He made 5,400. All this money are being made within a week. So every week, this is the amount some people make. The following week, they'll start all afresh. So now, I know as I'm trying to talk to you about all these things, this question keeps on popping up, running through your brains. How to get started with DigiStem? How do I start? How do I start? My guy, relax. You go start. You go enter, enjoy. It's as easy as ABC. Very simple. First of all, you need to sign up. You need to invest a little amount of money into it. You sign up, so you choose a product. But the good thing is, DigiStem is promoting, is showing us the right product to sell at the right time. So they will choose the product for you. But if you think that product is not good for you, you want to choose another one, that's your own problem. You can do whatever you want to do on the platform. But if you go according to what they are saying, I think it will help too. So that's it. Then you can track your sales on the platform. You see everything, the money you make, your commission, like the withdrawal, everything. You made this thing. And if you join the platform, you have access to 3 courses. And trust me, those courses, the 3 combined are the cost is $547, but they are giving it to you for free. 3 different courses. So with those courses you learn how to market things on WhatsApp, Facebook, and how to promote your products. You learn blogging, how to create a website, a whole lot. So if you join, you understand what I'm talking about. You understand? So that's all about this thing, affiliate marketing and DigiStem. Now, conclusion: affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to start earning money online. And with DigiStem's affiliate program, you have all the tools you need to succeed. Whether you are new to affiliate marketing or looking to increase your income, DigiStem provides the right products, training, and support to help you reach your financial goals. Ready to start? Join today and take your first step towards earning with affiliate marketing. So thank you very much. I think that's all about affiliate marketing and DigiStem affiliate program. If there is something that you don't understand and you need clarification, don't hesitate to contact me. You can chat me backdoor, or if possible, call me on phone and I'll explain to you. So I think that's all. Thank you very much and hope to see you at the other side. Come and let's enjoy together. Let's make this money together. Thank you very much and thank you for watching this presentation. Those are my details. My phone number +233 0541195602. My email mushef2785@gmail.com, and my location is opposite Obama Hotel, Ohwe.